grammar important for PTE reading? I would say certainly. It is not only important for PTE reading, but for all the other modules of PTE. Without grammar, you cannot clear any proficiency exam. It is a language proficiency exam. How can one be able to clear it without grammar? In this video, I'll be explaining you the grammar essential for solving PTE reading questions. This type of grammar will not only help you in PTE reading, but also in writing, listening and speaking. So watch the video until the end in order to understand grammar for PTE. First of all, when we are talking about grammar, we need to understand parts of speech. Many of you do not know parts of speech, but there are total of 8 parts of speech. Out of those 8, we need not to focus on 7 or 6. We simply need to focus on 4 of these. I'll explain you which 4 as well. I'll also explain you the strategy of solving reading task 4 with the help of this grammar part, with the help of parts of speech. Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy. There are a lot of videos which I upload on my channel on a regular basis. Kindly watch those videos in order to make PTE easy for you. Trust me, PTE आसान है. Just follow me. Now, grammar is certainly important for PTE reading. Here we have parts of speech. What exactly is it? Noun, pronoun, adjective. Verb, adverb, conjunctions, interjections, and prepositions. We need not to understand every single part for the reading module. Now I am going to use the elimination method to eliminate the ones which we do not require. We do not require pronoun. We do not require conjunctions, interjections, prepositions. It's very rare to find preposition or articles in the fill in the blanks. Usually they prefer using the content words, which are noun, adjectives, verbs and adverbs, not the functional ones, prepositions and articles. Now, what is a noun? Noun you already know is the name of anything. It's simply the name. Name of anything. It can be any person, it can be name of any living or non-living. That is noun. And when we are talking about the noun, let's say we are talking about a school or maybe an organization. For example, it is ABC, okay, the name of the company or the name of the organization or the person. What exactly will we do here? ABC is the name. We need to tell something, either good or bad about ABC. Anything, it can be good, it can be bad, it can be positive thing, it can be negative thing. That is adjective. So ABC, profitable, positive or negative, it should be the quality, it can be good or bad. That is adjective. A word that is telling you something about noun, that's an adjective. It is adding something to the noun. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, why is it required in PTE reading? Whenever you get a blank, what is there after the blank? That you need to see. I'll explain you how. Just have patience of 2 minutes only. Now we have verb and adverb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Doing any work. ठीक है? Go, print, copy, write, speak. All these are verbs. Adding anything, any quality to the verb, any information to the verb is adverb. Add plus verb. Speak fluently. Write effectively. In 90% of the cases, you get ly at the end of an adverb. In some cases, we do not have ly. She speaks fast. It is also an adverb, but without the ly. Now, coming to the main part. Here you need to understand what a collocation is. Collocation is the combination of set words. Basically, collocation is the combination of two different word forms which often are used together or which are often used together. For example, adverb plus verb. Verb, noun. Helping verb, verb. What do we get here? With noun, we'll get adjective, not verb. We'll get adjective before noun. Let us try to understand what exactly is it. Each cell in our body, now you look at the options as well, each cell in our body needs oxygen to live. The air that we breathe contains oxygen and gases. Once in the lungs, oxygen is dash, is. It is a helping verb. What comes after helping verb? After helping verb, we get verb. So we need to see which verb do we have here in the options. Is, helping verb. What comes after helping verb? After helping verb, if we have a blank, we need to fill it with verb. And verb is an action word. Oxygen is dashed to the bloodstream. Automatically, no, it is not a verb. Which all are verbs? Transferred is a verb and removed is a verb. Oxygen is removed? No. Oxygen is transferred to the bloodstream. So the correct answer here is transferred. This is the logic of helping verb plus verb. If we have a helping verb, definitely a verb will come in the blank. Now next, your bloodstream then brings this gas back to the lungs where it is dashed from the bloodstream and then exhaled. Is dash, is, what is it? It is again a helping verb plus what will come? Verb, and we have only one verb left, that is removed. So we'll write removed here. Isn't it easy? I was telling you earlier. PTE आसान है. Just follow me. Now, your lungs and respiratory system dash perform this vital process. Perform is a verb. Dash perform. Perform is a verb. What comes before perform? Adverb. And adverb is the one which has ly at the end in 90% of the adverbs. So we need to find ly one. Automatically, ly. It is an adverb. Automatically. Isn't it very easy? Last but not the least, keep your lungs healthy every day. Eat a balanced diet. Exercise and reduce. Only one word is left. So reduce. What is reduce? Reduce is a verb here. So what will come after reduce? Reduce dash. Reduce what? Reduce stress. Reduce something. Reduce a particular thing. So what thing is it? Reduce stress. Now if we have a blank, now there is a bonus tip here. If we have a blank before noun, then we are going to fill it with an adjective in most of the cases. But if we have a blank, okay, after verb, we'll fill it with noun. You just need to see what better fits here. You just need to focus on this particular rule. If you have a helping verb, fill the blank with verb. Okay? If you have a verb and there is a blank before the verb, fill the blank with adverb. Simply follow this and PTE will be easy for you. Thank you so much for watching me today. I'll see you in my next video that will also help you. Bye-bye.